Welcome to day 28 of the 30 Days to a Complete Screenplay Screenwriting Challenge. This is one last grasp of the antagonist. This is what we're going to write. Here, your protagonist has made the decision, hopefully the right one, maybe not. And now they will either get what they want or not. But here, usually, there's going to be one more twist where the antagonist or the forces of antagonism are going to come back with some sort of revelation, one more challenge that is going to make it harder on your protagonist. For example, in The Dark Knight Rises, the Dark Knight, having defeated Bane, realizes that Bane was not the true villain after all.
The child of Ra's al Ghul made the climb.
But he's not the child of Ra's al Ghul. I am.
And his ex-girlfriend, aka daughter of Ra's al Ghul, is flying off to blow up Gotham. And he must race against time to stop her from nuking Gotham. Or let's take Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Joel, having come back, having retained his tiny little memory of Clementine, goes back into the real world, finds her again, but a tape is left on his door that which tells Joel the story. He listens to the tape and finds Clementine saying all kinds of awful things about him, and him saying all kinds of awful things about her.
Where's the real Clementine? I mean, the whole thing with the hair, it's all bullshit.
I really like your hair.
It's sort of pathetic.
I really like your hair.
Thank you.
And it puts one last complication. So this one last grasp of the antagonist, one last twist of the story is key to dividing up your Act 3 and giving us one more bit of excitement. We'll give the movie its one last complication. And tomorrow we'll end the conflict. We are almost there. See you then. And if you want more tips on how to write a great ending, check this video out.